Hello. Today I'm, as I told you, at the autumn fair. So I was really happy to see a logo that is Pride of Bahraini Product. And the name of their product is Natural Product by Bahraini Hands. And this gentleman, I will just interview, he's making all these stuff in Bahrain. So this is really beautiful. I can see a lot of soap and other things. And I will just introduce you. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, give an introduction in Arabic if you want. Tell about your company
اوكي.
and how you started.
احنا شباب اوروبا شركة بحرينية لإنتاج منتجات طبيعية للعناية بالشعر والبشرة. نقدم لكم اللي تحتاجونه من منتجات الطبيعة. فانتم حياكم عندنا وان شاء الله ما يصير خاطركم الا طيب. اوكي, ثانك يو.
Okay. And how you started this? Like what is the your
كانت
passion?
البداية في البيت. يعني حتى النباتات احنا نزرعهم عندنا في البيت at home. Everything at home.
Okay.
But
Okay.
step by step we open the
Yeah.
factory, open the shop.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
like-
are you now have a like a factory?
Yeah, we have a factory in the head.
Oh wow. Alhamdulillah.
Bahrain.
Bahrain.
Made by Bahraini
Now,
hands.
I will definitely post this in GDN also, and I will write something about your company, and I'm really proud, and I will give you my card also.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.